Hello and welcome. Now that you have the basic navigational and control elements to create a page, we're now going to walk through the process of creating an opt-in page as well as the confirm page. So what we're going to do is we're going to click Add New. And in this case, we're going to use the classic funnel builder process. And what we're going to do is we're going to start the process by clicking Collect Emails. And we're going to give this page a name. We're taking note that so far in this funnel, we're going to get a landing page and a thank you and download page. So we're going to click Build Funnel. So we now have two steps. So we're going to start with the opt-in page, and we're going to choose one of these templates. And we're going to start with the green template for the opt-in. And what we're going to do now is we're going to come to this page and we're going to now edit the page. This will open up the ClickFunnels editor. And so now what we want to do is to add in our elements. We're going to take out the tagline. Then we're going to place in our autoplay video. To do that, we're going to go to the settings. We're going to change this to YouTube, and then we're going to get our YouTube URL. We're now going to place our YouTube URL. We're going to autoplay this video. We're going to take the controls out. We're going to take the branding out, and then we're going to click Yes for autoplaying on the desktop. We're now going to click Save. We're going to write in our copy. We're going to click outside the box, and then we're just going to click Save. ClickFunnels is going to ask us to change the title of our page. Okay, so we've got our SEO data in. We're now going to click Save. We're going to set up our autoresponder by integrating our autoresponder into this page. So we're going to select our autoresponder. In this case, is going to be MailChimp. We're going to select an integration. We're going to select a list. And then we are now connected. In this case, we're going to choose not to send a confirm email. We're now going to click Save. And we're going to click Save again. Now, if we have all of our data, one of the things we're going to take note of is that if we come into the General section, ClickFunnels asks us what we want to happen when the person hits Submit. We want to send that person to a page that basically tells them to check their email. And so what we're going to do is we're going to create the next page, and we're going to come back and we're going to place that page inside of this area. So we're going to save this page, and then we're going to go back outside of this editor. So what we're going to do now is we're then going to pick the thank you page. And this is basically the page that we want to happen. We want the person to see this page immediately upon signing up, telling them to go and check their email. So without making many changes to this, in particular to our particular kind of offer, this is basically what we want it to say. We're then going to click Save. In terms of the SEO, we actually want this page to be hidden. So we're going to come to the General, and we're going to decide to click Hide, and we're going to click Save. And then we're going to click Save again. And we're going to take this logo out. In fact, we're going to delete the entire section. And then we're going to click Save. So now this page is now complete. We're now going to click Exit. We're now going to take this entire URL and copy it. We're going to head back to this opt-in page. And what we're going to do now is we're going to place this inside of our edited page. And upon submitting, we want the individual to be sent to this page. And so we're now going to click Save. And we're going to click Save again. Now, for the sake of our preview, we're going to turn off the autoplay. And we're going to preview our page. And so when we come to our page, what we're going to do is we're going to put in a name and email address, and then we're going to make sure that our confirm is working the way we want it. And then we're going to click Download Free Report. And this is what we want to happen. We want our page to send us to this place, because what we want now to happen is we want the person to go and confirm their email address and then get access to the report that we're going to give them. So now what we're going to do is we're going to create our thank you page in their email. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.